Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations. Be ready for the dictation at the speed of 80 wpm for the aspirants who are preparing for SSC exam. Get ready and start. In today's rapid changing world, technology has become an integral part of our daily lives. It has transformed the way we work, communicate, and even how we learn. The technological revolution that began in the late 20th century has progressed at an unprecedented rate, touching nearly every aspect of human existence. From the invention of the internet to the development of artificial intelligence, the impact of technology is both vast and undeniable. It has opened up countless opportunities for businesses, individuals, and governments to innovate, collaborate, and grow. However, with these advancements also come challenges, many of which society is still grappling with today. One of the most profound changes brought about by technology is the way we communicate. The rise of smartphones, social media, and instant messaging has revolutionized the way we connect with others. Communication is no longer limited to face interactions or phone calls. People can now stay in touch with friends, family, and colleagues across the globe in real time, regardless of geography, location. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have further transformed how we share information, express opinions, and even form relationships. While these tools have brought people closer together, they have also raised concerns about privacy, security, and the authenticity of online content. The workplace has also seen significant changes due to technology. The advent of automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning has transformed industries ranging from manufacturing to finance. In many cases, machines have taken over tasks that were once performed by humans, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. This shift has, however, raised concerns about job displacement and the future of work. As machines continue to take over repetitive and routine tasks, there is a growing need for workers to adapt by acquiring new skills that are more aligned with the demands of a technological advanced economy. In the realm of education, technology has opened up new avenues for learning and teaching. Online courses, virtual classrooms, and educational apps have made learning more accessible to people all around the world. Students can now take courses from top universities, learn new skills, or even pursue full degrees online without ever stepping foot in a physical classroom. This shift has been especially important in the context of the global pandemic, where online learning became a necessity for millions of students. Virtual learning environments have allowed education to continue despite widespread lockdowns and social distancing measures, highlighting the importance of technology in maintaining continuity in the face of adversity. Despite the many benefits of technology, it is not without its drawbacks. One of the most pressing concerns is the growing digital divide. While technology has become ubiquitous in many parts of the world, there are still vast disparities in access to digital tools and the internet. In rural or impoverished areas, many people still lack the infrastructure and resources necessary to take full advantage of the opportunities that technology provides. This divide has the potential to deepen existing inequalities and hinder the development of communities that are already struggling to meet their basic needs. Another challenge posed by technology is the rise of cybercrime and online threats. As more and more aspects of our lives are conducted online, the risk of data breaches, identity theft, and other forms of cybercrime has increased. Cyber attacks on businesses, governments, and individuals are becoming more sophisticated and frequent, leading to concerns about the safety and security of personal information. The rapid pace of technological innovation makes it difficult for security measures to keep up, leaving individuals and organizations vulnerable to malicious actors. Furthermore, the advent of social media and digital platforms has raised concerns about the impact on mental health. Studies have shown that excessive use of social media can lead to feelings of isolation, depression, and anxiety, particularly among young people. The constant pressure to present a curated, idealized version of one's life can take a toll on self esteem and emotional well being. The addictive nature of social media platforms combined with the constant stream of information and notifications can also contribute to a sense of overwhelm and stress. As we continue to embrace technology, it is important to consider the mental and emotional effects it may have on individuals, particularly those who are most vulnerable. In addition to these concerns, the environmental impact of technology is another issue that requires attention. The production and disposal of electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, and televisions contribute to a growing e-waste problem. Many of these devices contain hazardous materials which can pollute the environment if not disposed of properly. Moreover, the energy consumption required to power data centers, cloud computing systems, and other technological infrastructure contributes to carbon emissions and climate change. As technology continues to evolve, it is crucial that we consider its environmental impact and work towards developing more sustainable practices and solutions. Over. सो ये जो डिक्टेशन थी ATWPM अराउंड थी, जो कि SSC स्टेनो ग्रेड डी वाले बच्चों के लिए डिक्टेट की गई है. अगर आपसे डिक्टेशन लिखी गई हो या आपको डिक्टेशन पसंद आई हो तो मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर कंटेंट्स like this. So thanks to all. Be practice for a better future.